person, which also includes the police force and RAB to justice. Number two, we demand that the government should respect the faith of 90% of the people of Bangladesh, which is Islam. We also demand that the government protect the rights of minorities and their property. Educational institutes, especially Islamic institutes, Islamic history, Islamic literature, Islamic banking system and businesses. Number three, we demand that the government bring the bloggers. We demand that the government should bring the bloggers who are actively promoting blasphemy to justice and institute appropriate law to punish all offensive activities and individuals who promote and engage in hate speeches. Finally, we demand the highly politically controlled and motivated tribunal that has utterly failed to uphold the norms of substantive and procedural fairness, justice,